So now I'm going to start what is set. So set is another data type of Python. So if you have not watched that video of data type, so you can just go and watch there. The same data type video is present in this channel, so you can easily understand what is data type. So set is unordered. Unordered means set does not define any order or does not support any of index, as we have seen the list or tuple. And also set, after set declare, you cannot change the set, but the exception is you can just add it and delete it from the set of elements. So how it is works, so I am declaring a variable name a. Inside the variable name we are going to declare different type of data type. One is an integer data type, 0.1 is the float data type, and I am declaring it string data type of the set. So now I'm just going to print it. So when I'm going to print a set value, you can just see it, the output is 0.1 is a float, 1 is a integer, and Nikhil is a string. So every time the this position is not fixed because set does not support any index. So when I print again this, so you will see 0.1 again come 1, uh, again come, again I am just printing it. The order will change every time. So while you are printing so many times, the order will change it. So so when you are working in a string, so order will change every time. So now if you want to find the type of the what type of the data type of the set, so it is in everything in the Python is like a object, and it's a class of the set. So the type built-in function will work for this set. So now I am just when I'll print it, so you will get a output of class of sets. So it will define you what type of data type of the uh, list tuple or any type of data type. You can just check it. So type function will work same. So if you find out the length of the sets, you can use the length function. So length function will find out the means how many element present in into the set. So now when I'll run this, so you will find out currently we have a three element inside the sets. That's why we are getting the three elements. So now I'm going to explain what is a set constructor. So constructor means you can define it. Currently you are defined with curly braces, so there is no need to define curly braces. You can just define double round bracket. So here also double round bracket and define it with set, and when you will just print it, it will find the length of 3. I am just removing the length of 3 and just simple print it, so you will understand it's also supports sets. So now I'm just print it. You will find out 0.11 nickel. Position is not declared because set does not have support any type of index. So when I get this type of data type, so type is a built-in function, you will get it like is a class of set. So as set is declared and you understood all the concept of the sets. So now I am just going to explain the access of item, as we can access the item of the list and tuple, but we cannot access the item because of list and tuple support the index values uh, uh, of the data type, but set does not support any index type of data type. But you can just loop the set. So how you can just loop the set, with the using of the for loop, you can just loop the set. So for I in keyword variable a and this semicolon, again you need to print it with I. So how it is work, it's going again and again, one each, it will visit each of the element one time and just loop it. So now I'm just print it. You can just you will get like 0.11 nickel. So you can just do it like this. So now you can just use membership operator. So how you can just use the membership operator? Suppose I am using membership operator. If you haven't watched the operator video, please go there and understood how operators work. So membership operator work. So if Nikhil in variable of a and semicolon, then print yes, it's present. Suppose this condition will fall, so again it will print like else and else, then it will print. I'm just printing simple statement of not. So when I'll just print it, so you'll find yes, it's present. So this in keyword supports the membership operator. If you are finding any string from the sentence, you can easily find out. Suppose Nick is not present or Ni is not present, it will go not. It will go the second condition. If this condition is not satisfying, that's why it says to the else part and else part printing of the not one. So that's why this condition as after the declaring the value you cannot after the declaring the element of value you cannot change the value of like a tuple, but tuple we cannot add or delete the value, but set suppose we can add or delete the value. Now I'm just going to explain it how it is work. So I'm deleting all this one and I'm going to how you can add it. So if you want to add it, you can use the add method of the set, and I want to add Nick inside the tuple and I am printing it. So what it will happen? So while I'm running this, you will see 0.11 Nikhil and Nick it's coming. So this type how you can just add any element inside the tuple inside the set. Sorry. So when I am just deleting it and now I am just declaring second set, how you can just use or add one. Suppose I am 4, 5 and 6. How you can add two tuples, how two sets, sorry, two sets, how you can add it. So you want to add two sets, so you have to use the update method. Suppose I want to update A with of B. So I am updating A. I am this B value I am just adding inside the A. That's why I am A update method B, and when I'll print it A, it updated successfully. You can just see it 456 is coming now. So now I'm going to explain how you can just remove any element from the set. So let's remove from the set A from variable A, define a set. So I want to remove of one integer value from the set. So the remove method will do the same like we were just doing the add method for adding the element. So now when I am printing it and just remove, so it will give the output of 0.1 and Nikhil, there are two data type, float and integer, float and string, sorry. So now it's removed. So now I am going to explain how union intersection is work. So union will not support any duplicate when you are joining two sets. So the suit set between you have seen in your college or school. So sets chapter. So union will not support the duplicate. So how it is work? So I'm declaring a variable C and I am making the union A dot union of B, and now I am printing of variable C which contains both sets of the union. So now when you will just see the output 0.1 bit present from set A, 1 present both the set 1 1, So it's come with the one time. So that's why union will support the only unique value, or duplicate value will not support. And nickel and 5 6 it supports. Similar type intersection what is present both the sets common, it's called the intersection. So when I intersection method will do the same. So A dot intersection B. So we are making the set A of intersection B, and while I am printing it, so you will say C, one is a present, one is a element which present both the sets. So now along with one, I want to print all the rest of elements. So you can use the symmetric difference for this one. So when I use symmetric difference, so intersection only one present along the intersection alongside 0.1 nickel 5 and 6 is present in this set. So this is the overall set introduction and chapter. I hope you understand. Thank you so much.